So two terms in an arithmetic sequence are given. Term 4 is 73 and term 10 is 121. What's the first term? So these questions are all just like puzzles where we give you one piece of the puzzle and you got to try to figure out the other. Okay, so let's list what we do know. So here's term 1, and this is the one I'm trying to find. I'll put a little question mark there. Here's term 2, term 3. This one's term 4, and I know what it is. It's 73. Term 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one here is term 10, and I know what that one is. It's 121. Start here. What's the common difference between these? Well, how do I get from term 4 to term 10? I add D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So look at this. Term 4 plus 6D will equal term 10. Does that make sense to you?
Yes.
Okay, why aren't we adding it 7 times, 5 times? It's the number of jumps you got to make, okay? Okay, so what's term 4? Term 4 is 73 plus 6D, I don't know D, is equal to term 10, which is 121. And from here you can see it's algebra. Subtract 73 from both sides and divide by 6. What's D equal to? Okay, so if D is equal to 8, can you work backwards and find term 1? Subtract 8, subtract 8, subtract 8. What's first term? I could read your lips. There we go, 49. Not confident enough to say it out loud. Okay, so that's how we did it, just kind of by a little trial and error. Is there another way we could do this using our formulas? Well, term n is equal to term 1 plus d times n minus 1. And I have one of these terms. I have term 4. So I know that term 4, 73, is equal to term 1 plus d, which I just found out, times n minus 1. What's the n? 4 minus 1. So 73 is equal to term 1 plus 8 times 3, 24. 73 minus 24 is going to give you term 1, 49. Yes? And very good point. I could have said term 10 is equal to term 1 plus 8 times 9, n minus 1. And you'd get the same answer. Okay, so write the general form, and you're going to be asked to do this. Write the general form, as in get it into this form of the sequence or the general formula for finding any term. So we just did all this work. We know the first term. We know the common difference. What's any term? Term sub n is equal to term 1. Oh, I just found that. 49 plus d, found that, times n minus 1. Okay, oh, look at this. A question just like the one we just did. Okay, so here's another type of question. How about you try this on your own?